Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable adaptive brightness on your Android phone. So guys, first of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to open the display setting. This is the display setting. We have to click on it. Then we can simply tap on this toggle button on this adaptive brightness toggle button to activate the adaptive brightness. Okay, and if you want to disable your adaptive brightness, you can simply tap on the circle button again. Then you can adjust your brightness manually right here on the brightness option or setting. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can enable or disable adaptive brightness on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.